Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Active Parivar. So guys, in this video today we will learn how to check Active Directory Forest Functional label or how to raise the Active Directory Forest Functional label. So I'll show you step by step, but before going ahead I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel Active Parivar, please subscribe and click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos you will get the notification. So let me jump on my domain controller. This is my domain controller, and here I am going to open Active Directory users and computers. Okay, this is my domain name. In same way you need to open Active Directory users and computers and then right click to your domain name. Once you right click, you will see the option raise domain functional label. Okay, so by clicking here you will be able to see what is your current domain functional label, and if that is lower than the highest you can raise it. Okay, so here you can see domain name is itparivar.lan, current domain functional level Windows Server 2016. This is Windows Server 2016 domain controller. Okay, I'm using 2016 operating system, and here you can see this domain is operating at highest possible functional level. You can see for more information on domain functional level click help. Okay, so here it is saying this domain is operating at highest for possible functional level, so it is already set to highest level. If in your case it is not set to highest level, you will be able to see like 2008 2012, then you will get here the drop down message, drop down box. Okay, so if your current functional level will be like 2008 Windows Server 2008 or 2012, okay, and if you want to upgrade or if you want to raise that to 2016 or 2019, okay, you will get here the option drop down box, and you can select by just click to drop down box, and you need to just apply and then okay, the domain functional label will be raised. Okay, but it's depend on what operating system you are using. So in my case I am using Windows Server 2016 and the current functional level is Windows Server 2016 only, so this is highest functional level already set in this case, right? So you can check it by going to by following the same step, and if you want to raise it, okay, you can raise it from here only. Okay, for me it's already highest functional level. Okay, so the option is not visible drop down box, but in your case if it is lower than the highest, then you will get here the drop down box. So guys, I hope this video will help you how to check and how to raise the functional level of Active Directory. If you have any query or concerns, please feel free to leave your comment. Surely I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Active Parivar. Bye bye.